Hey there, future AI leaders. You know what's funny? Every organization has a one person in accounting or somewhere else who somewhat automated their entire monthly reporting process while everyone else is still drowning in spreadsheets. Well, guess what? They might just be your next AI superstar. But before we dive in, I've written a detailed article about this whole topic in my newsletter at aiadopters.substack.com. If you want to check it out, I would love to get your feedback on that. But what we'll cover today are the key highlights and actionable insights you can implement immediately to find that hidden talent. Okay, so shall we? By the end of this presentation, you're going to learn three things. Okay, first, how to spot those hidden AI champions hiding in plain sight in your organization. Second, how to create an upskilling program that's going to cost you 70% less than external hiring. And third, how to position yourself as an AI transformation leader your company desperately needs right now. Okay? Oh, whoa. You're going a little bit too fast here. So, let's start by busting a myth right now. That's myth is actually costing companies millions, all right? Everyone thinks they need to hire expensive AI specialists or poach talent from Silicon Valley. But here's the reality bomb for you. According to a recent study, understanding your business is 95% of the success of AI implementation. The technical skills, well, that's really just about 5%. Let that sink in for a moment. When you're hiring externally, you're looking at, let's say, $4,000, $5,000 minimum per hire. And that's before they even understand how your business works, okay? Now, when it comes to internal upskilling, it costs about 70% less. That's not just savings, that's smart business in my opinion. Don't just take my word for it, okay? Look at PwC, for example, PricewaterhouseCoopers. They didn't go on some Silicon Valley shopping spree, even though they could if they wanted to. Instead, they invested $3 billion in upskilling their existing workforce. And the result? 37,000 employees now crushing it with data analytics and AI. Even IKEA, all right? Yes, the furniture people. They trained 30,000 workers in AI literacy. They didn't hire an army of data scientists. They empowered their people from within. The people who already knew the business inside and out. And the results? Well, companies doing this are seeing productivity gains of up to 66%. Now, that's not something to laugh about, okay? Now, so how do we make this happen? Let's start with step one, talent mapping. Think of this as a treasure hunt, but the treasure is already in your building. You need to survey your teams about existing automation. Who's already using macros? And who are the people who are using AI in their personal lives? Who's the person everyone goes to when Excel breaks, okay? These are your hidden champions. You should really document everything they're doing. Every macro, every automation, every process improvement. These are the breadcrumbs leading to your future AI leaders, okay? Now, step two. When it comes to step two, it's really about building learning pathways. This isn't about sending people to get PhDs in machine learning. No. Create peer learning groups. Let your hidden champions teach each other. Develop hands-on workshops, for example, that are focused on real business problems from within, not just theoretical stuff. Then also deploy learning platforms that people can use at their own pace. Okay, the key here is making it practical, not theoretical. None of this fluff, all right? Everything needs to solve real business problems in your company, ideally. Talking about killing two birds with a stone, right? And step three, the bird on a tree. My brain just farted. Step three here is where the magic really happens, okay? Scale and measure. Track every productivity gain, no matter how small. Document success stories. These are really your ammunition for getting more resources. And when something works, expand on it. Let success breed success in that sense. Remember, this isn't really about becoming Google overnight. It's about steady, measurable progress that adds real value to your bottom line. Okay? Now, let me warn you about some common pitfalls. First, don't overlook those non-technical innovators. They often have the best instincts for automation, believe it or not. Stop obsessing over credentials. Results matter more than degrees. And whatever you do, don't ignore existing process knowledge. This is really pure gold in the AI era. Now, if you want some quick wins, start today, okay? Find your Excel wizard. Every company has one, I know it. Create an AI wins channel in your Slack group where people can share their successes, all right? Maybe pick just one process to optimize. Start small, but start now. And here is your action plan. First, map those current automation champions. They are hiding in plain sight, I guarantee you. Second, start small, one team, one process. And third, this is crucial, subscribe to AI Adopters Club, all right? I would love for you to be there for weekly insight that'll help you navigate this journey, okay? And I want you to really remember that your next AI champion isn't in Silicon Valley. They're probably optimizing workflows right now while everyone else is planning another meeting about meetings. I break it down a little bit more in the article on the site. You can check it out there. But in general, the newsletter is for me to break down the complex stuff, and you get to deliver the results and you get the credit. Simple as that, right? Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you at the AI Adopters Club. Bye-bye.